So, dear students, we are starting the online course in product development, and the name of the lecture is Bolts and Nuts. So, it's not the same nuts some people think, something different, and it's mainly related to the engineering design. But also, this course has good interactions with such disciplines like manufacturing, material science, and other disciplines like metallurgy and so on. The first concept which we have to make clear is the concept of fasteners, what this word mean and how useful they can be to us to understand the bolts and nuts topics. So, as the word suggests, to fasten something means to make something stick together. So, the definition is used to join together the various parts of the automobile. But it can be used not only in automobile industry, but also in different kind of industries and areas, like bicycle manufacturing, different type of machine manufacturing. So it's mainly machine manufacturing tools and equipment. There are different types of the fasteners, and they are, as mentioned in the slides, spot welding, as you know, what is soldering, nuts, bolts, screws, clamps, stud, rivets, even glue, silicone, and different types of the adhesive. They are all types of the fasteners. I think from this slide you know the, if not majority, but the half of the things you are familiar with. So, spot welding, what is this? Simply defined, spot welding is the welding of overlapping pieces of metal at small point by application or of pressure and or of electric current. So two things uh, which can fasten these spots are the pressure and electric current. Soldering is a process in which two or more items, usually they are metals, are joined together by melting and putting a filler metal, which is called also solder, into the joint. So the filler metal having a lower melting point than the joined metal, that's why it melts faster and joins the two pieces of metal together. Washers. A washer is a thin plate, typically disc-shaped, with a hole, which you can see on the picture. They are used to fasten the things. So, the next slide is in detail, shows us what is a screw and the rivets. Lots of people know what is a screw, and I think some of you, especially boys, have been working with this kind of things. Screw is a type of a fastener, sometimes similar to a bolt, typically made of metal and characterized by a helical ridge, which is known as thread. So thread is a ridge which you can see on the surface of the screw. So a thread is an inclined plane wrapped around a nail. So rivet, it's something different, is a permanent mechanical fastener. Before being installed, a rivet consists of a smooth cylindrical shaft with a head on one end. So then we have stud and clamp. Their pictures you can see on the slides. So stud is a metal rod or shaft with threads on both sides is called a stud. So usually the rod is long, but depending upon the requirements, the size can be changed. So a clamp is a fastening device used to hold or secure objects tightly together to prevent movement or separation through the application of inward pressure. I think this kind of definitions are all clear for you. We're going to the next slide, which is the how to find the word, which shows in parallel the ball, screw, and stud and their differences altogether. So let me stop here and check the quality of the video. See you on the next slides. Thank you.